Good evening, friends. Engineering and General Geology, ParbinSingh. Chapter 14, Study of Rock. Inside this metamorphic rock introduction factor of metamorphism, kinds of metamorphism, metasomatism, effect of metamorphism, example of metamorphic change and metamorphic grades, zones, phases, metamorphic rock, classification of metamorphic rocks, importance of metamorphic rock, comparative study, rock also considered metamorphic. Metamorphic. Typical question here. Question in detail. Once give a details account of process of metamorphism, touching briefly the factors that are involved in metamorphic change and the types of change that the produce. Question B is explain the various effect imposed on the pre-existing rock due to metasomatics process, how they differs from the change brought about by metamorphic process of others type. Questions 3 is divided in A B parts, describes various types of texture structure developed in the rock due to metamorphic process. Question B, how would you differentiate between an igneous rocks and sedimentary rock and a metamorphic rock? So on the basis of texture structure in hand specimen, give your answer in tabular forms. Question number 4. Tabular form means we divide in 1, 2. So here write igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Question number 4. Write short notes on any 5. First, A. Contact metamorphism, hydrothermal metasomatism, and pneumatolysis, later cleavage, granulations, cystocities, foliations, green sun, gray sun, and isograde, gneisses, mylonite, migmatite, metamorphic phases, index minerals, charnokites. Take the right answer in optional type. This is the optional types. Metamorphism is a process of change in the rock in which, so read, pre-existing rock undergoes a complete recrystallization and after undergoing melting due to high temperature and pressure. Second, pre-existing rock may undergo change in structure, texture and even composition under the change condition of heat, pressure, chemically active fluids remaining in solid state all the times. And third question, pre-existing rock suffers only the structural change under crushing load without undergoing any change in texture compositions. It's fourth, none of the above conditions are valid. So question 5 answer is second, pre-existing rock may undergo a change in structures, texture and even composition under the change condition of heat, pressures and chemically active fluids remaining in solid state all the times. Question number B. Metamorphic phases. So read one indicates indicatives of a metamorphic environment through which pre-existing rock have passed to forms metamorphic rocks of different types. Second, define the nature of pre-existing rock before it undergoes metamorphism. Third is a textural terms defining the development of a large scale structure and structure over broad area of metamorphic rocks. Fourth is not covered by any of the above three definitions. See, so answer is B is 1 is indicatives of a metamorphic environment through which pre-existing rock have passed to form metamorphic rock of different types. C questions, stress minerals are characterized with flaky, platy, elongated shapes, angulars, regulars, polyhedrals, outlines, perfectly rounded and granular minerals, and none from above forms. So C answer is 1 flaky, platy and elongated shapes. Question number C. Classify the minerals given below as stress and anti-stress minerals. Minerals kyanite, olivines, muscovite, corderites, sterolites, sillimanite, and stress. Question number 6. Question number 7. Correlate the following metamorphic rocks mentioned in the left hand columns with their usual parent rocks given at randoms in the right hand column. Metamorphic rock parent rock: slate, phyllite, quartzite, gneiss, marble, limestone, granite, cell, sandstone, cell. So slate, cell. Second, phyllite, cell, quartzite, sandstone. 4. Gneiss, sandstone. 5th, marble, limestone. Question 8 explains the basic difference between the terms metamorphic phases, metamorphic grades, and metamorphic zones. Give example in each cases. Question number 9 metamorphism is basically a process of change in the pre-existing rock and a process of formation of new rocks. Discuss the statement critically and draw your conclusion. Question number 10 you are presented with the following specimens of rocks for identifications and labelings. Explain the characters, texture, structure to identify each of the rocks: schist, slate, marble, gneiss, granite, limestone. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.